Hello students, today I am teaching you chapter 1 crop production and management. So, if we consider the heading of the chapter crop production and management, it means production of crops which include fruits, vegetables and other eatable substances, and management means to manage them to grow in efficient and proper way so that we can utilize them. Okay, so you have learned that all living organisms require food. Plants can make their food themselves. Can you recall how green plant synthesis their own food? Okay, you already know that all living organisms require food. Nobody can live if there is no food on the planet. Okay, can you recall how green plant synthesis their own food? We studied the photosynthesis process in our lower classes. Okay, you studied it before. So photosynthesis is the process by which green plants can make their own food by using sunlight, water, oxygen, okay, and other natural resources. Animals include humans cannot make their own food. Animals cannot make their own food. We cannot make their own food. Are you making your own food? No. ओके, सो वेयर डू एनिमल्स गेट देयर फूड फ्रॉम? तो हम हमारा फूड कहाँ से मिलता है? हमें हमारा फूड कभी किसी ने सोचा है कि ये फूड कहाँ से आता होगा? आपके फादर मदर फ्रूट्स खरीदते हैं किससे? जो वेजिटेबल सेलर होते हैं उनसे. ओके, एंड वेयर डू दे गेट फूड फ्रॉम? ओके, वी विल कंसिडर दिस लेटर. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वाई डू वी हैव टू ईट फूड? मतलब हमें फूड खाने की ज़रूरत क्यों है? यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट द एनर्जी फ्रॉम फूड इज यूटिलाइज्ड बाय ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर कैरिंग आउट देयर वेरियस बॉडी फंक्शन सच एज डाइजेशन, रेस्पिरेशन एंड एक्सक्रीशन. यू ऑलरेडी नो. इट मीन्स आपको पहले से पता है कि एनर्जी हमारी बॉडी के वेरियस फंक्शंस को वर्क करने के लिए चाहिए होती है, जैसे कि डाइजेशन, रेस्पिरेशन एंड एक्सक्रीशन. ओके, इन फंक्शंस को परफॉर्म करने के लिए बॉडी को एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होती है. एंड टू ग्रो ऑल्सो, टू ग्रो, टू डेवलप योर माइंड, टू डेवलप योर मसल्स, टू डेवलप एवरीथिंग इन योर बॉडी, यू नीड न्यूट्रिशन फ्रॉम, एंड न्यूट्रिशन इज कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम फूड. ओके, if we don't eat food or we skip our meals, then we will feel low and the nutrition in our body get reduced. Okay, in order to provide food for a large population, regular production, proper management and distribution of food is necessary. We all need food. Okay, we all need food. Nobody is there who don't need it. So including all the human beings of India or world, we need a large amount of food. Okay, so to provide a large amount of food, regular production, it means हमें रेगुलर प्रोडक्शन मतलब हमें लार्ज लेवल पे प्रोड्यूस करने की और उसको प्रॉपर मैनेज करने की, दैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने की ज़रूरत है. क्योंकि अगर थोड़े थोड़े लेवल पे फूड या कुछ भी चीज़ प्रोड्यूस होती है तो हम सब में नहीं मिल सकती है वो. एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस, अब हमको ये पता चलेगा कि कौन कौन सी प्रैक्टिसेस, इट मीन्स कौन कौन से स्टेप्स होते हैं, कौन कौन से मेजरमेंट्स होते हैं, कौन कौन से हमारे पास तरीके हैं जिससे हम प्लांट्स को ग्रो कर सकते हैं. व्हेन प्लांट्स ऑफ द सेम काइंड आर ग्रोन एंड कल्टिवेटेड. सो आवर फर्स्ट टॉपिक इन दिस चैप्टर इज एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस. प्रैक्टिसेस मीन्स स्टेप्स एंड मेजर्स टेकन टू ग्रो a crop is known as practices. When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. Plants of the same kind. जब plants, it means any kind of crop we are growing on a large scale, it means बहुत बड़ी जगह पर जब हम same kind of plants के plants grow करते हैं same kind of, तब उससे क्या बोलते हैं हम? crop cultivation. this doesn't mean that if we are growing wheat on some area and rice on some area on the same field, that it is wrong, because wheat needs other kind of measures and practices, and rice needs other kind of practices. Rice also need a large amount of water, but wheat doesn't need that amount of water. So it is necessary to grow same kind of crop on a large scale field. Okay, so for example, crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in a field are that of wheat. If we are saying crop of wheat, it means we are saying that wheat is grown on a large scale and only wheat plants are grown on that scale. Okay, you already know that crops are of different kinds like cereals, vegetables and fruits. These can be classified on the basis of the season in which they grow. आप सभी को पहले से पता है कि फूड्स के 3 टाइप्स होते हैं, सीरियल्स, वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स, और ये अलग अलग सीजन्स में अलग अलग तरीके से उगाए जाते हैं. ओके, इनको अलग अलग सीजन्स में कल्टीवेट किया जाता है. ओके, India is a vast country. The climate condition like temperature, humidity and rainfall vary from one region to another. You already know that you live in Rajasthan. Okay, so Rajasthan is a desert area, and the crops grown here are according to the climate of Rajasthan. Like we grow makka. Okay, we grow wheat, we grow sarso, and this all grown in Rajasthan. Why? Because Rajasthan is completely a good area to grow these kind of crops. But if we try to grow or cultivate apple trees here, so they will not grow. Why? Because the humidity, the climate of Rajasthan does not support the apple cultivation. So we can't grow apples here. Accordingly, there is a rich variety of crops grown in different parts of the country. Despite this diversity, 2 broad cropping patterns can be identified. बहुत सारे टाइप्स के क्रॉप्स अलग अलग पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया में ग्रोन होते हैं. यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट वी गेट coconut tree in the south side, because there the cultivation of coconut tree will made properly, because the amount of water there is very high. But we can't grow that much of field in Rajasthan or in deserted area, because the amount of water provided here is very less. So proper cultivation of coconut tree cannot be done here. Okay, so 2 broad cropping patterns can be identified. मतलब 2 टाइप के जो पैटर्न्स हैं वो आइडेंटिफाई किए गए हैं. फर्स्ट, खारिफ क्रॉप्स. Kharif crop, the crops which are snow in the rainy seasons are called kharif crop. Rainy seasons में जो crops हम उगा सकते हैं उन्हें हम kharif crops बोलते हैं. So please consider this line in rainy season. Kharif crops can be grown only in the rainy season. The rainy seasons in India is generally from June to September. Paddy, maize, soya bean, groundnut, coconut, etc. are kharif crop. There are some examples given in this like paddy, maize, soya bean, groundnut, coconut, etc. are kharif crops. These crops included kharif crops. Second, rabi crops. The crops grown in the winter seasons are called rabi crops. So note this line. Rabi crops can be grown in only winter season. They can't be grown in any other season. Their time period is generally from October to March. They can be grown from October to March, or it can be vary, because this is not compulsory every year that this type of production can be grown in October to March, because the season will vary. Okay, sometime it's from November to March, or sometime it's from October to January or February. Okay, so it can vary, but the measure taken is from October to March only. Examples of rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Okay, these are some examples included in rabi crops. Besides these, pulses and vegetables are grown during summer at many places. इनके अलावा कुछ दाल मतलब pulses and vegetables are grown during summer at many places. काफ़ी प्लेसेस पे दाल और वेजिटेबल्स समर के टाइम पे उगाई जाती है. हमने रेनी सीजन्स का पढ़ लिया, हमने विंटर सीजन्स का पढ़ लिया और हमने समर सीजन का भी पढ़ लिया. बेसिक प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन. अब हमारे पास जो बेसिक प्रैक्टिसेस है, मतलब जो बेसिक स्टेप्स हैं, वो क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन के लिए क्या है. If you want to do some work or do homework, firstly you have to buy a copy and a pen and a pencil. Okay, then you have to collect your homework. Okay, then you write question, then answer. You can't just skip these steps and completely go on to writing answer. Okay, so first you have to do this step. So now we are going to study the steps, the basic steps that has to be taken to grow or to cultivation of crops. So cultivation of crops involves several activities undertaken by farmers over a period of time. You may find that these activities are similar to those carried out by a gardener or even by you when you grow ornamental plants in your house. ओके, कल्टिवेशन ऑफ क्रॉप्स इन्वॉल्व्स, मतलब हमको क्रॉप कल्टिवेट करने के लिए बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ रिक्वायर्ड होती है पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में. ओके, ये सब एक्टिविटीज़ आपकी गार्डनर्स, जिनके घर में गार्डनर्स काम करते हैं, उनको भी पता होगा कि वो कैसे